In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase a domain with GetResponse. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into it. First things first, let's talk about what a domain is and why you might want to purchase one. A domain name is essentially your online address. It's what people type into their browser when they want to find your website. Having a custom domain gives your business credibility and makes it easier for customers to find you online. Now, GetResponse is known primarily as an email marketing platform, but it also offers some fantastic tools for purchasing and managing domains. If you're looking to establish your online presence, this is a great place to start. To purchase a domain through GetResponse, the first step is to log into your GetResponse account. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. It's completely straightforward and easy to do. Simply go to their website, and you'll see an option for signing up. Fill out the necessary information, and before you know it, you'll have access to their suite of tools. Once you're logged in, look for the Tutorial menu option on the left side of the dashboard. You'll want to click on Websites and then navigate to Domains. This is where the magic happens. GetResponse has made it super user-friendly, so you'll see a button that says something like Purchase a Domain or Add Domain. Click that to get started. You'll then be taken to a search bar where you can enter the name of the domain you want. Think about what represents your brand well. You'll want something that's easy to remember and relevant to your business or service. Type in your desired domain name and hit the search button. Take a moment here, because the domain you want may or may not be available. If it is taken, don't worry. The platform will often provide alternative suggestions that might work for you, so keep your options open. Once you find a domain that's available, you'll need to choose the extension. .com is the classic option, and often the most trusted by users. But there are many other extensions, like .net, .biz, and more specialized ones like .info or .store. Your choice of extension can depend on your business type, so take a moment to think about what fits best. Now that you've selected your domain and extension, click on it and follow the prompts to proceed. You will usually have to fill out some basic information about yourself or your business to complete the purchase. GetResponse will guide you through this process, prompting you to add in details like your name, address, and payment information. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any issues at a later stage. Once you've entered all necessary details, you'll typically be asked to review your order. Make sure you double-check the domain name, the extension, and the payment details. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm your purchase. Now, here's a valuable tip. After you complete the purchase, you may also want to consider setting up domain privacy protection, if it's available. This feature helps keep your personal information, like your address and phone number, private. It adds an additional layer of security for your online presence. After confirming your purchase, congratulations! You've officially bought your domain through GetResponse. The next step would be to set it up properly with their tools, ensuring it points to your website or landing pages effectively. GetResponse will likely provide you with step-by-step guidance for this as well. Before we wrap up, remember that owning a domain name is just the beginning of establishing your online presence. Keep exploring the features GetResponse offers, utilize their marketing tools, and start crafting your online identity. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy domain hunting, and I'll see you in the next video.